Canadian Joshua Boyle, his American wife and their children endured a long captivity in Afghanistan before they were rescued last fall and returned to Canada. Now he's facing 15 charges including sexual assault, forcible confinement and administering a noxious drug. Boyle, his wife Caitlin and their 3 children were freed in October in Pakistan, 5 years after the couple was abducted by a Taliban-linked militant group while on a backpacking trip in neighboring Afghanistan. The children were born in captivity. Court documents obtained Tuesday say the charges include 8 counts of assault, 2 accounts of sexual assault, 2 counts of unlawful confinement, and 1 count of causing someone to take a noxious thing, namely trazodone, an antidepressant. There is also a charge of uttering a death threat and a charge of misleading a police officer. The purported acts allegedly occurred between October 14 and December 30 after Boyle returned to Canada. A publication bars reporting any information that could identify the alleged victims. A hearing on the case was scheduled for Wednesday in Ottawa, but Boyle's lawyer told the Associated Press that Boyle would not attend in person. He said Boyle was in custody. Ottawa police declined comment. Eric Granger, Boyle's attorney, said he had not yet seen the court documents. Former hostage Joshua Boyle said Monday he and his wife decided to have children even while held captive because they always planned to have a big family and decided, hey, let's make the best of this and at least go home with a larger start on our dream family. Boyle, his American wife, Caitlin. Former hostage Joshua Boyle said Monday he and his wife decided to have children even while held captive because they always planned to have a big family and decided, hey, let's make the best of this and at least go home with a larger start on our dream family. Boyle, his American wife, Caitlin. There are a number of charges, Granger said in an email. Mr. Boyle is presumed innocent. He's never been in trouble before. No evidence has been provided yet, which is typical at this early stage. We look forward to receiving the evidence and defending him against these charges. In a statement to the Toronto Star, Boyle's wife wrote, I can't speak about the specific charges, but I can say that ultimately it is the strain and trauma he was forced to endure for so many years and the effects that had on his mental state that is most culpable for this. Obviously, he is responsible for his own actions, she added, but it is with compassion and forgiveness that I say I hope help and healing can be found for him. As to the rest of us, myself and the children, we are healthy and holding up as well we can. Boyle told the Associated Press in October that his wife had been hospitalized in Ottawa, but did not specify why she was taken to the hospital. Boyle also told AP that week that he and his wife decided to have children even while held captive because they always planned to have a big family. We're sitting as hostages with a lot of time on our hands, Boyle said. We always wanted as many as possible, and we didn't want to waste time.